wash 30 gram of Gobindbhog rice under cold water until the water runs clear. In a pan, add ghee and saute the dry fruits. Add 1 liter of full fat milk. Bring the milk to a boil and reduce the heat. We will add 30 grams of rice in 1 liter milk to get the creamy texture. Add a pinch of salt and let it simmer. Stir occasionally. Infuse the kheer with flavor by adding a pinch of saffron strands. Once the rice is cooked, add sugar according to your preference. Stir occasionally. Add all the dry fruits and continue simmering until the kheer reaches a creamy consistency. Add crushed green cardamom pods. Allow it cool slightly before serving.